Things I bet you didn't know. 1. Water can boil and freeze at the same time. This phenomenon, known as the triple point, occurs when temperature and pressure conditions are just right for the three phases, gas, liquid, and solid, of a substance to coexist in thermodynamic equilibrium. 2. Sloths can hold their breath. Longer than dolphins, sloths can slow their heart rate and hold their breath for up to 40 minutes, whereas dolphins can hold their breath for about 10 minutes. 3. There's a spot in the Pacific where you could swim with no land in sight. The oceanic pole of inaccessibility, also known as Point Nemo, is the farthest point from any land in the world, located about 1,670 nautical miles from the nearest landmass. 4. Butterflies taste with their feet. Butterflies have taste sensors on their feet, allowing them to land on a plant and instantly taste it to determine if it's suitable for laying eggs. 5. Your bones are stronger than steel. Human bones are 5 times stronger than steel of the same density. However, they are much lighter, making them incredibly efficient for the structure and function of the human body.